In order to clean your grinder bore, you have to untie these 3 screws from the top. And twist going to the left. Then pull it up. After cleaning the grinder, brushing everything, after done for cleaning, you can put it back this way. Make sure that this part will be on this side. Then you can put it back. At the same time, you can twist going to the right and tighten the screws. After cleaning everything, you can put back your rubber flapper at the same area. Then at the same time, you can put it back like this. Make sure this line must be on the center. Then it's time for you to put back the cover like this, and then you have to twist it going to the left side and then tighten the screws. After all those procedures done for cleaning and tighten all the screws, you can put back now your grinder hopper or bean hopper.